In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have your PayPal activity flowing right into QuickBooks so you can review and categorize it without manual imports. Start in QuickBooks Online and look at the left-hand navigation. Click Transactions. This is the area where all your connected accounts live. Inside Transactions, choose Bank Transactions. Depending on your version, this may also be labeled Banking, but it's the same place where you manage connected financial institutions. In the top right corner, select Link Account. This opens the connection window where you can search for your financial institution. In the search bar, type PayPal. You'll notice there are several PayPal options. Some are country-specific, and you may also see entries for PayPal business accounts, credit accounts, or even crypto. Take a moment here to choose the exact option that matches the PayPal account you want to link. If your PayPal is tied to a specific region, or if you use a business PayPal, pick that one. If you have a separate PayPal credit or crypto account and want those transactions, select the corresponding listing. Once you've selected the right PayPal option, proceed with the authentication. A secure window will prompt you to sign into PayPal and grant QuickBooks permission to access your transaction data. Have your login details ready and complete any multi-factor authentication that PayPal requires. During this process, you may be asked to confirm which PayPal subaccounts to connect and how far back you want to import transactions. If you're unsure, selecting a shorter date range, like the last 90 days, can keep things tidy while you get set up. You can always bring in more history later if needed. After you confirm and finish the connection, you'll be brought back to QuickBooks. The link is complete. QuickBooks will begin pulling in your recent PayPal activity into the Bank Transactions tab. If you don't see transactions immediately, give it a few minutes and use the Update or Refresh option. From here, you can review, categorize, and match PayPal transactions to your existing records. If you use multiple currencies in PayPal, make sure your QuickBooks settings reflect that to keep amounts accurate. And if you ever realized you chose the wrong PayPal listing, you can disconnect and reconnect using the correct one. That's all it takes to link PayPal to QuickBooks Online. Go to Transactions, open Bank Transactions, click Link Account, search for PayPal, choose the right listing, and complete the authentication. You're ready to streamline your bookkeeping with fewer imports and more accuracy. And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a QuickBooks tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.